Hello, my loves. So, Obi CUBANA and his dearly wife, Abi, are celebrating their, anniversary. Looking at the pictures and from the video they uploaded, I was just touched because I know there was a throwback, and I know that's why it's looking like a real good progress. He started with nothing with this woman, and then all of a sudden they became big, they became large, their name is just everywhere. Not just that, like Obi CUBANA has made a serious name for ever since I think he surfaced online and went viral when he was about to do his mother's burial. Yeah, that he said he made a necklace of his mother that worth 200 million or so. That was when this guy went popular, and things has been moving well. In fact, he has even been getting endorsement deals even with his money. And the wife too also had hair brand, like hair extension brand and relaxer brand. Like, things are just fast forward with these guys. I'm really happy for them, and people are also saying that he's humble and he's people's man. So I wish them more love in their marriage, peace and happiness. And everybody likes good thing. You get person we no like better thing. So me, I tap in their own kind of blessings financially. Good money. That's where I'm going. So you can enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.